Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Confirm you're using an administrator account and make sure your PC is online. Once done, press Windows key plus I to open settings, then go to System. Make sure you locate Troubleshoot and select Other Troubleshooters. This is where Windows groups automated fixes. You do this because the tool can detect service failures and corrupt components automatically. Now pause on that screen. The next step is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter itself. You will now run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Locate Windows Update under Other Troubleshooters and click Run. The tool scans for common issues, stuck updates, service failures, and misconfigured components. When prompts appear, follow them, allow it to stop or restart services, and to apply repairs. If it asks to remove problematic updates, decide based on age and importance. Make sure to note any error codes or services it reports as failed. You'll need those for manual fixes. After the troubleshooter finishes, restart your PC. Many fixes only take effect after a reboot. Once back, go to Settings Windows Update and check for updates. Run the check several times if needed. If problems persist, open Update History to capture any error codes or a failed KB number. These details guide manual repair. Reset software distribution and cacheroot 2 folders, restart Windows Update services, or use DISM and SFC. Tip: if you see repeated errors, note the code and search for that specific repair path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.